Yes, friends. Now open your books on page number 87. If by Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling, born on 1865 and passed away in 1936. Rudyard Kipling was an English journalist, short story writer, poet and novelist. Kipling was one of the most popular writers in the United Kingdom, UK, in both prose and verse. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, during that period, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907 at the age of 42 only. He was the first writer writing in English to receive the Nobel Prize. This person in 1907 at the age of 42 received the first Nobel Prize of Literature in English language. Now this poem this poem deals with the valuable pieces of advice given by father to his son. It is a very inspiring poem. At the same time, it is very important poem. The reason is the advice is given by the father to his son from his bottom of hearts. He has told his son the do's and don'ts of the life if you want to get success, if you want to reach goals. And what is the goal of the human being? To be a man. To be a man. It is very important. Whether you are a doctor or not is not important. Whether you are an engineer or not is not important. But if you are not a human, then everything will be over. So, it may be possible that by profession you will not be a doctor, you will not be an engineer, you will not be a lecturer, but by behavior you must be a human being. Then and then it will be possible for you to live the life in the really rich manner. So friends, the poem, there are 3 stanzas given here, and naturally the poem starts with if. And if you read the poem in the way I am going to tell you, you will get the meaning of the poem very easily. So I would like to read first for you. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, I would like to tell you that then and then you will be a man, my son. Then and then, if you get the way of composition of the poem, the poetry will be easy for you. Because at the end of the poem ends with the line, which is more you will be. You will be a man, my son. So if you put the same sentence, same group of words after every line, you will get the meaning of each and every line. You will get the advice in each and every line from the poet, from the heart of the father to his son. So, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, then and then you will be a man, my son. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowances for their doubting too. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. And yet, don't look too good nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with the triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by the nails to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn out tools, if you can talk with the crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with the king, nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it. And which is more? And which is more, you will be a man, my son. So, this concluding line or the group of words in the last stanza, if you attach this with the each and every complete sentence which is composed by the poet, you will get the poem very simple. You will get the poem in very simple manner. So lucid is the poem. But whenever you read it in a complete manner, that just a minute before I have told you, many a time it may happen that you will not get the meaning of the sentence. So if you read it like this, what I want to say to you, we'll try the first stanza and you will get what I want to say. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, then and then you will be a man, my son. Then and then you will be a successful man, my son. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowances for their doubting too, then and then you will be successful, my son. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting, then you will get a success. Or being lied about, don't deal in lies, then and then you will be successful. Or being hated, don't give way to hating, then you will be successful. And yet, don't look good or not talk too wise, then and then you will be a successful man, my son. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, then and then you will be successful. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim, you will be successful. If you can meet with triumphs and disaster both and treat them at the same time, treat them means treat these two impostors just the same manner, then and then you will be successful. If you can bear to hear, means if you are able to hear the truth you have spoken, how? But twisted by your nails. Why this type of the things happen? Because it is a trap for fools. If you come to know this, then and then you will be successful, my son. Or watch the things you have gave your life to. You have given total life to the thing. You have built them up. Broken. If you watch the things broken. Which thing? The thing you have given your life to those things. And stoop and build them up with everything is lost. The building has collapsed. So the poet says, watch the things you have given your life to broken and stoop and build them up with the worn out tools. You are not proper sharpened tools, and even then whatever is there in your hand, those worn out tools you stoop up and again try to make the building, then and then you will be a man, my son. These are the things. And the last one, if you can talk with the crowds, and keep your virtue there, if you have virtue of talking with the crowds, with the many people, and walk with the kings, if you have good relations with the good peoples, rich peoples, then at the same time you do not lose the common touch, then and then you will be a successful man, my son. If neither foes nor loving friends, if foes means enemy, if the friends or enemies. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, means in such a condition, means you are in a condition where enemies cannot hurt you, friends cannot hurt you. At the same time, if you are able to gain that situation, if you are able to put yourself in that situation, then and then you will be a man, my son. If all men count with you, but none too much, means you behave equal with them. You do not discriminate with the people which are with you. And you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, means if you give importance to the time in your life, yours is the earth and everything in it, means yours is the earth. At the same time, the thing in your life, that is everything in your life, that is in it. And which is more? What more you want? What more a person wants? You will be a man. You will be a man. You will be a successful man, my son. For being successful, you have to do all these things. If you do all these things, then and then success will be there for you. Or if you behave like this, then you will be a successful man. So simple it is, so lucid it is. Now some new words are there in the poem and we will deal with it in the next video. Thank you, friends.